myself Rinpal Parmar. Today's my topic is the Johari window. First introduction. Johari window is a model of different degree of open between two people. It based on the degree of self-disclosure and socialization of the feedback when sharing information with another person. Means Johari video means like open-minded socialization and well-planning to sharing information with another person, right? And the Johari window is a communication model that can be used to improve understanding between individuals within a term or in the group settings. Is developed with the good communication. Next, the Johari window model was devised by American psychologists Joseph Luff and Harry Ingram in 1955 while researching group dynamics at the University of California, Los Angeles. The model was first published in the Proceedings of the Western Training Laboratories in the Group Development by UCLA Extension Office in 1955 and was later expanded by Joseph Luff. Means the Johari window model is devised American psychologists, two psychologists Joseph Luff and Harry Ingram in 1995. Next, Luff and Ingram called their Johari window model Johari after combing their first name Joy and Harry. Means both are authors. In earliest publication, the word appears Joe and Harry. Means both are combined Johari. Next definition. The Johari window model is a simple and useful tool for illustration and improving self-awareness and mutual understanding between individuals within a group. Means what? Like the Johari window model is to improve understanding between two persons, right? It is a model of a personal awareness, so personal development, group development, and understanding a relationship based on disclosure, self-disclosure, and feedback. It is a Johari window model. The Johari window can be used also to improve a group relationship with other groups. Like individuals can be build trust between themselves by disclosing information about themselves, and they can also learn themselves and come to terms with a personal issue with the helps to feedback from others. Understand? The Johari window model can be used to assist to improve groups and groups relationship with the other groups. Next, move to the influence. Influence means effect. Okay. Today's the Johari window model is especially relevant due to modern emphasis on the influence of soft skills. Right? Means how to communication, clarity to voice, tone, and the behavior. Behavior means how to talk, how to means and nature, and empathy means able to understand, clarity to sentencing and well understanding. Cooperation means cooperate with other people. Intergroup development means the group discussion and also to improve the knowledge and share the information. Interpersonal development means increase the knowledge between a group discussion and the sharing the ideas. Next, move to the use of Johari window. The Johari window soon becomes the widely used model for understanding and training self-awareness. Means Johari window is a model is a personal development and also to the knowledge, skill, personality, behavior, self-confidence, self-awareness, feedback, all to include it in the Johari window. So understanding and training self-awareness. So personally can take personal training and the personal development, improving communication, interpersonal relationship, group dynamic, team development, and intergroup relationship. Means how to communication with people, 3, 4, 5 people to group discussion, and how to behavior to the group dynamics. Next, what agility model represents? The Johari window model is also referred to the disclosure feedback model to self-awareness and by some people an information processing tool. Means Johari window like students to get a more information, but the feedback how to get in exam time showing in the result to feedback. The Johari window actually represent informations. The first thing is a very important. Feelings, experience, views, attitudes, skills, intention, motivation, etc. within or about a person in relations to their group from your perspectives. Means what is the important things to the person? His person's feelings, experience, views. What is the attitude? Means what is the personality of the person and how to talk, how to communication. It is the most in observation of the other peoples. And what is the value of the person? It is the most important. Next, areas of the model. The 4 Johari videos perspective are called religions and the areas of context. Each of these religious contains and represent the informations, feelings, motivations. Means what? The Johari window is a 4 faces. This 2 is the known and a 2 is the unknown. And known about the person in term is what? Whether the information is known or unknown by the person and whether the information is known or unknown by others in the group. Means two group is a known and a 2 group is a unknown. Means the 4 phases in the Johari window. Next, move to the 4 phases. First one is a open area or a free area. Second one is a blind area. Third one is a hidden area. And fourth one is a unknown area. So first one is a open area. So Johari window is a 4 pointers. So first one is a what is known by person about him or herself and it also known by others. So first is the open area. Means what is known by the person about him or herself and the known by others. The pointers is also referred as the open and the self area. And free area and to public area. Means what? This open area is place whatever to good communication and the cooperation occur free from distraction, mistrust, confusion, conflict and misunderstanding. For what? Means she or he is not very it's know very well, but someone is not to understand, right? It is a two positive vibes. And last one is that the nurse can be helped to person like explain to open area into the hidden area by asking the person about him or herself and the receiving feedback. The procedure entering to open quantitative verticals called is a self-discoloration, means open-minded, right? So what is the observation to the first? By other observation, by self-discovery, by providing feedback and self-disclosure. All right. So first one is what is known by the person about him or herself is also known by others, right? So open area, open self, free area, free self or the arena. And second one is what is unknown by the person about him or herself, but which others know, right? Means what? If someone is self-confidence is not present, but all people to know what is the person and what is the personality of the person. So blind area to self or blind spot. So what is the unknown by the person about him, herself, but which other know? This can be simple information like involve a deep issue, incompletency, quintessency, rejection, unworthy, right? difficulty, not to talk to directly. So first example, like nurses should be aimed to decrease the area in the broad and open area to the increase self-awareness, right? It is quite a possible like encouraging discussion and providing feedback to discuss before, because he or she know how to talk, and she is know very well to understand. Nurses can be helped to discussion to self by a sensitive communication and good listening experience, and will be reduce the blind area. Okay, understand? Means what is an unknown person to know. Next, what the person know about him or herself that others do not know. So first more, hidden area, hidden self, awareness area, aware self, and over a face care. Means what the person know about him or her the others do not. The pointers is also refers to the hidden self, right? Not like what is a personality? It's a no show of others people, right? Like this includes sensitivities, secrets, fears, hidden agendas, manipulative intention, and that the person is to not want to relieve. Means what to show off, right? It is not showing other people. She is not a completed. She know very well like I am completed, but it is not possible. So unknown area of the unknown self. Sorry, next one is what is unknown by the person about him or herself is also unknown by others. Means it one time of like she don't know anything, and other people also not to like a single information to the person. Means unknown information. Also self and also self unknown information, and also to the others. So the unknown area and unknown the self. Next, open area. Johari Pointer's point. Johari religions is the known as the area of the free activity. Right? I already told that Johari religion is known as the area of the free activity. This is the information about the person behavior, attitude, feelings, emotional knowledge, experience, skills, views, etc. known by the person and known by other groups. Means the person is know very well, and other also to know that what is a person personality. Next, blind spot. Johari Pointers 2. Johari religions 2 is what is known about the person by others. Means like myself, right? What is known about person or persons by others, right? Means like a students like a talk with a see, he is a teacher is very nice, because why? Because he's really understanding and trustful, right? Just like in the group, but is unknown by the person or himself. So religions, what is a person, and what is a personality to the group members and others persons. Next, move to the hidden area. Third one, what is known to ourselves but kept hidden from the therefore unknown to the others. Means what? Already see know not self discovery exposure. Already to know what is a self disclosure, but other person to know so off. Next, unknown area. It is contains informations, feelings, talent, abilities, aptitude, experience, etc. that are unknown to the person, him or herself, and unknown to the other in the group. Means self also to the not understanding yourself and not the other people. Means the unknown information occur in the place and the group members. It does not like a single feelings, not a talent, not a ability to the person. Next, factors. Unknown factors. inability that underestimate, and the untired throwback, lack of opportunity and encouragement and confidence or training. Means if the single person not having the ability, not any opportunity and not the encouragement, because she or he is not able to the understanding, and a nature ability to aptitude that a person does not realize their possesses. Means what? If have a some time of problem or like a talk, good communication, but some people like not to understanding only single sentences and not to communicate with other people. And next, a fear observations, the a person does not know they have. Means sometimes behavior like I feel like anxiety and all. And unknown illness means sometimes to show off, I'm feeling not well and I'm weak, so please can't do it anything, right? And next, represent to the sub, subconscious feelings means not a presently like a consciousness. Conditional behavioral attitude from a childhood means sometimes to behavior like a child. Next, drawbacks of the Johari video. Some things are perhaps better not to communicate, like a mental or the health problem. Means like a some type of behavior like I am not feeling well and please don't tell me anything, and not communicate with other people. Okay. Some people may pass on the information they receive further than their desire. Right. So some people like share some information that time to not to able to understand, and his behavior like anger, mood changes. Okay. And some people may react negatively, like always be group discussion or some like a positivity, but some person not accept always to talk like a react a negativity, I'm not doing anything, and like a show of uh, like a feel guilty and all, right? Mood changes, like a negative reactions. Using Johari window is a useless exercise if it is not linked to the activities that reinforce a positive behavior or there are correct negative behavior. Means whenever to talk with group discussion in the positive ways, but sometimes like talk like always to negative thinking is not a good, it is a bad thinking and all things, right? So negativity present in the areas and the group and not too good communication with all group members. Some cultures have a very open and accepting approaches to the feedback, and others do not. Like some people do example or exam to give that time to show off the result. So in the result, somebody have the positive reply, and somebody is not a single sentence to write in the exam. Why? Because she or he is not able to like writing a simple sentences. And last one is a conclusion. By using Johari window can be improve open self area in the get better opportunity. Johari window means like to behavior, how to self esteem, the good communication with other people, so others is know well, so is the advising also, and good communication like a high authority person is experience, beliefs, and sharing ideas with other people. And the second point is by interpersonal behavior can be maintained good relation and the success in the life. Like some person is like very good personality and good nature. So whenever problem occur, that time to give advice and the sharing the ideas, so that time to feeling a better, right? And next, by transaction analysis can be a maintaining adult over the transaction. Means sometimes have a problem, that time to the information passing to the group area and the success for the life. Thank you.